Yeah, today's topic is about the same multiplication of integers. Okay, this one we have already discussed. What is that? When you multiply two positive integers, you will get a positive integer. When you multiply one positive and a negative, you will get negative integer. And if you multiply both negative integers, you will get a positive integer. So using this property, let's start an example. Okay, what it will be? Minus 3 into minus 2. So how we need to multiply means, when he gives two negative numbers, you need to first multiply signs. Minus into minus. What is minus into minus? Plus. So when you multiply two negative integers, you will get a positive integer. So now 3 2s are 6. So 6 is the answer. Next, if you take one more, plus 7 into minus 1 into minus 4. So when he gives three integers to multiply, so first you need to take first two. Plus into minus, minus, plus into minus, minus. 7 ones are 7. So the product of these two is minus 7 into minus 4. This one is as it is. Now you need to take these two again. Minus into minus, plus. 7 4s are 28. Okay, so plus 28 is the answer. Next, I just want to explain you, if he gives all negative numbers, what will happen? Okay, question, if you have a question like this, minus 1 into minus 1, so what will be the answer? Minus into minus, plus. 1 ones are 1. Minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. So what will be the answer? So minus into minus, plus. 1 ones are, see, 1 if you multiply for a number of times also, you will get same answer 1. The thing is, you need to check whether you will get minus sign or a plus sign. Minus into minus, plus. Keep this plus in your mind. Now plus into minus, minus. Minus, 1 ones are 1. Even if you multiply 1 for 3 times, you will get 1. So in detail, if you want me to explain, now the product of minus 1 and minus 1 is minus into minus, plus. 1 ones are 1 into this one as it is. Now plus into minus, minus. 1 ones are 1. So this is how I got this answer. All these calculations you need to do in your mind. Okay. Now one more question. Minus 1 into minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 1. See, you have 4 negative numbers now. All are minus 1s only. So I want to multiply first these two and these two. So what will be the answer? Minus into minus, plus. 1 ones are 1. Into minus into minus, plus. 1 ones are 1. So plus into plus, plus. 1 ones are 1. So finally, how many? What is the answer you got? Plus 1, positive. Now one more question. If you take minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. Okay, when you are multiplying four negative numbers, you are getting positive. Minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. Similarly, you can do solve in the same way, or else write down. If you multiply all these, you will get plus 1. From here, you can see. Again, I don't want to solve the same steps here. So that is why from here to here, what is the answer? Plus 1. So when you multiply minus 1 for 4 times, you get plus 1 into this as it is. Now plus into minus, minus. So what is the answer? Minus 1. Keep this in your mind. Now if you solve the same thing over here, what he is saying actually, try this. I'm just explaining, try this. Minus into minus, plus. 1 ones are 1. Minus into minus, plus. Plus into minus, minus 1. Now minus into minus, plus. Minus into minus, plus. Plus into plus, plus. 1s are 1. Just now we have done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times if you multiply minus 5, you will get minus 1. If you observe, If you are multiplying negative integers for 2 times, you are getting positive number. For 3 times, negative. For 4 times, positive. For 5 times, negative. It's nothing but the product of 2 negative integers is a positive integer. The product of 3 negative integers is a negative integer. The product of 4 negative integers is a positive integer. The product of 5 negative integers is a negative integer. So if you observe, even number times, even when you are multiplying a negative integer for even number times, you are getting positive. When you are multiplying for an odd number of times, you are getting negative. Clear? You need to copy this in your classwork note. You just write down note and write down this point and example. Write down these 4 points. Okay. Now, where we use this actually, this property means, question if he gives like this, minus 1 whole power, I should not explain this, power 3. If he gives like this, minus 1 whole cube. So what does it mean? Minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. Because cube is there, you are multiplying for 3 times. So what is the answer? Minus 1. If he gives like this, minus 1 whole power 201. So you cannot write minus 1 into minus 1 into so on 201 times, you cannot write here. So you should see the power. What is this power? Whether it is even or odd, you need to check. So minus 1 whole power even number if you have, the answer is plus 1. Minus 1 whole power odd number if you have, then the answer is minus 1. Clear? So by using this formula you can solve this. Now what is this? Minus 1 whole power 201. 201 is what? Odd number. So minus 1 whole power 201 is minus 1. Clear? Now minus 1 whole power 72 is there. So what is the answer? Plus 1. Next, one more question. Minus 1 whole power 2021. Next, 2021 is a odd number. So 2021 times you cannot write minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. You just use that formula. If you have power odd to a negative number, minus 1 whole power odd number, then the answer will be negative number. See here 1 is solution. 121 is odd number. Therefore, minus 1 whole power odd is minus 1. So, minus 1 whole power 2021 is minus 1. Clear? Yeah, if we solve exercise problems. Exercise 4, I just want to explain one problem from this. Minus 100 into minus 6 is equals to dash. You should understand every time. Plus into minus, minus, plus into plus, plus, minus into plus, minus, minus into minus, plus. So when you are multiplying one positive, one negative, you'll get negative answer. One negative, one positive, you'll get negative answer. So if you are having among two integers, if you have one positive, one negative, and if you are multiplying that, you'll get negative. If both positive you multiply, you'll get positive. If both negative also if you multiply, you'll get positive. So this you should learn. Even if I ask you in your dream also, suddenly, for example, you are sleeping. If I wake up you suddenly, and if I ask what is plus into minus, you should be able to say minus. So in that way you need to learn. It's very simple actually. Plus into minus, one positive, one negative, so negative answer. Minus into plus, one positive, one negative, so negative is the answer. Plus into plus, both are positive, positive. Both are negative, so answer is positive. Clear? So let's start. Minus into minus, both are negative. So what will be the answer? Sign. Actually you need to multiply the first signs, then numbers. 100 into 6, 600 is the answer. Clear? Next, from this, here take any example. I just want to explain. If you have four numbers, 4 integers if he gives to find the product, what will be the answer? So what is the question? Minus 3 into minus 6 into minus 2 into minus 1. So take 2 to the integers, because we have learned how to multiply 2 integers. We didn't learn how to multiply 4 integers. Okay, you know all are negative numbers. Sign, you know, if you multiply even number of signs, even number of negative numbers, you will get positive. But what will be the answer? What about the product 3, 6, 2, 1? So the procedure is first two numbers, first the last two. Minus into minus plus 3 6 are 18. Minus into minus plus 2 1s are 2. Now again you got from 4 integers you got 2 integers product. Now plus into plus plus 18 2s are, how much 18 2s are? 36. Clear? Understood? So solve this.